everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how you are going to know who's subscribed to your channel. First, you need to click your profile. So this is the one. Click that, and then here you need to click YouTube Studio. Okay, after you click your YouTube Studio, you're gonna move to your dashboard, and then on the bottom part, okay, so here you can see here recent subscribers. So when you see this one, meaning to say those are the one who subscribed your channel recently. But then here you can see this word here, see all, if you want to know who subscribed your channel before. Okay, click that, and here it will pop up all the people who subscribed your channel. So here you can change this part here into 50. So you can check it 50 channels in one time, and then later on you can just move it to your arrow right to read more of your subscribers name, or to know more your subscribers name. Okay, and then click that. So it's gonna be a lot. So you need to just scroll it down until you saw or you see all of them. Okay, and I'm gonna explain you what this is all about. This one, unsubscribe. Okay, so meaning to say those people who subscribed your channel already. But then if you can see here, there's blue here. They are the one who subscribe you, but you haven't subscribed on their channel yet. Okay, for you to able to subscribe on their channel, you need to click that. So now you already subscribed to their channels. Okay, but then if you would like to unsubscribe to their channel, you just click it, and then it will unsubscribe it, but they already subscribed to your channel. So to make it fair, of course, you need to click subscribe, because it's a two-way deal. Subscribe to each other. Okay, so that's how you are going to know who subscribed your channel. Okay, let me explain this in Tagalog. So I'm gonna move back. Okay, so ngayon, i-explain ko naman siya in Tagalog. So, paano mo malalaman kung sino ang nag-subscribe ng iyong channel? Okay, so first, punta ka lang dito sa iyong profile. Dito sa may taas. Click mo yan, and then pupunta ka doon sa YouTube Studio. Click mo lang yan. Okay, and then pagka-click mo, makikita mo dun sa dulo is dashboard, content, playlist, analytics, comment. Pero dun ka lang sa dashboard. Okay, just click dashboard. And then magpa-pop up na ito sa iyo. Yan na yung magiging face mo or front mo. And then dito, makikita mo siya sa pinakababa, recent subscribers. So meaning to say, ito lang yung mga taong kakasubscribe sa'yo in last 90 days. Okay? So here, kung gusto mo makita lahat, i-click mo lang yung see all. Okay, so pag na-click mo yung see all, makikita mo na lahat yung mga nag-subscribe sa'yo. Asa ka dito, makikita mo yung date kung kailan sila nag-subscribe sa channel mo. Meaning ko say, yan yung sila ang nag-subscribe sa'yo. And then, ito naman yung count ng kanilang mga subscribers or followers. Ito, meaning to say, na-subscribe mo na din sila. Okay, pag hindi mo pa sila na-subscribe, pero sinubscribe ka na nila, makikita mo yung blue. Okay, ito. Makikita mo lang yung subscribe. Pero na-subscribe ka na nila. Ako na-subscribe na ako ni Tintin. Corona siya ng July 20, pero hindi pa ako nag-return sa kanya. So, ang gagawin ko, para naman ma-subscribe ko siya, i-click ko yung subscribe. Okay, so ngayon, parehas na kaming subscribers ng isa't isa. Okay, so makikita mo yan, lahat is i-scroll mo lang yung iyong arrow right para makita mo lahat ng iyong mga subscribers recently. Okay, ito, dito, pwede mo ding palitan ito ng lifetime, last 365 days, 90 days, 28 days, or last 7 days. Okay, ito yung mga bago lang na nag-subscribe sa akin recently. Yan, hindi ko pa sila nabalikan, pero babalikan ko na sila. Okay, ganyan lang siya. Yan, ito yung nag-subscribe sa akin last 7 days. So ngayon, parehas na kaming naka-subscribe sa isa't isa. Okay, so ganun lang po siya kadali mga friends. So if nagustuhan po ninyo ang aking tutorial, sana po ay mag-thumbs up kayo if you like my, if you enjoyed my video. If you like my video, please thumbs up, give me a thumbs up. And kung hindi pa kayo subscribers ko, please subscribe to my channel, share it, leave a comment, at saka continue supporting my videos. Hanggang sa muli, till next time, I will see you soon. Bye-bye! Hello my friends, hello everyone. Thank you for always supporting my YouTube channel. So I am here to support you, to help you, and share a lot of content. And of course, don't forget to click that join button. You will get some benefits of my perks. So yeah, there you go. That's our friend. That's our giraffe. Oh, he likes to be on my camera. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Forsan Learning channel, and of course my partner, my husband Joel Goldwyn, and my baby Pablo Dorado. Okay, thank you, and bye. See you next time.